In this lesson, you'll learn to handle the multiple input fields using the same single function. Okay, so currently we have handle text change, but what if we have many different fields? Like this time we have only one input field, but let's imagine we have another field as well. Let's put here input type of text, and let's add a placeholder, and let's say something write something. Okay, so let's say we have these two input fields. Now how would we grab the handle change? So what you can do is, let's change this to just handle change. Okay, handle change, not only that we grab the event, we grab the name. Okay, name, and then we grab the event. Okay, so you can see this is a higher order function. Now this is a function returning another function. Okay, so instead of setting the event target value straight away to this state here, what we're going to do is we're going to create another flexible state. Okay, so use state. Now this time this state will have multiple fields. Okay, so text default will be React. Okay, and then we will have, let's call it cool message. Okay, and this one's going to have empty string. Now you can add more fields. For example, if you had a bigger form, you could have name, email, password, like so, right? You could do this, but at the moment let's just keep these two. Okay, so we have the text which we will use here, and then we have the cool message that will come from this input. Okay, so how are we going to grab all the information? So what we're going to do here is, first of all, let's say here value, and let's call it set value. Okay, and then when handle change happens, previously we ran this code because it was just one state we were trying to update, but this time it's multiple. So what we're going to do is we're going to run this method set value. Okay, and we grab the existing values. Okay, and then we update the name, whatever name comes in. If it comes with text, if it comes with cool message, whatever that is, we're going to set that to event target value. Okay, now to use this, what we need to do is on handle change, let's come down here on change, handle change, and we pass the name. Now this one, it's going to be text, and this time this one is going to be handle change, and we pass, let's call it cool message. Okay, now you can see this way you can handle multiple user inputs using the same handle change method. Okay, so if it is the email, then that will be email here. When the handle change runs this set value method, it will be email, and that will be the event target value. If it was coming, the name was coming like password, then it will be event target password. Okay, so you got the idea, right? So you can use multiple inputs with the same handle change, passing the different names. Now before we give it a try, we need to make sure, because we have changed, there is no longer search query, but there is text. Okay, so what we can do here is we push the search term, and the search term is going to be text. Now let's just destruct these values from the state. Okay, so const text and cool message from value. Okay, so this state with the value, it has these multiple properties, so we grab them like so that we can continue using them like this. We need to update the value as well. So here this time it's going to be text, and this should be value, not value, sorry. Okay, beautiful. Let's give it a try. Okay, so we have two input fields, one for the user input for search query, and another is for cool message. Okay, let's type PHP, let's type some cool message. PHP is great. Let's hit search. Okay, we see the news based on PHP. However, we didn't do anything with this information. Let's do that. Let's come all the way down here, and here right after the h2, let's show that cool message. Okay, beautiful. This is just to give you an idea of how you can handle multiple input fields. Okay, so PHP, awesome. As you can see, both input fields, they're using the same handleChange method, and it works beautifully. Okay, let's do React. Okay, beautiful.